England will be the first country to require new homes to include EV chargers. So how will they enforce such a thing? Oh, new homes, I guess. So builders are going to have to put it in. I don't mind that. I guess the cost of the house is going to go up ever so slightly, but it is a headache. It's a hassle to go in there and dig stuff up and have to put it in after the fact.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think it's that hard, actually. It's just like when you put a hot tub in, you just retrofit everything. They just go in, they put the, I think it's not that difficult.
I think they're trying to reduce the friction altogether with getting electric vehicles.
I understand what you're saying. Yeah. I get it. For sure. New house is easier. Just like anything, you put a new house in, it's easier to wire something. But
it's placement too. It's kind of strange, but
that's true.
At my new place, they're trying to figure out where is the optimal position to put these things, and different cars have different placements. So Teslas, for example, you charge at the back. My car, you charge at the front. My car has charging ports on both sides. Some are only on one side. Mm-hmm. So if you change vehicles frequently, the thing could be in a terrible location. You're running a cable all the way around. Plus, in England, the difficult part is the design of the communities, the houses. You might not always have a garage, right? You might have limited parking space. So they really almost have to plan the community, because it's a different density and all the rest of it, around how people are going to charge their vehicles. It might not be quite as simple as here where, the typical home has a similar style of garage.
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying. That's a good point. Well, it'll be interesting to see how they figure it out.
Mm-hmm.